Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but incredibly useful: how to find your Xfinity account number in 2025. Whether you're dealing with a billing issue, setting up a new device, or just need it for reference, knowing where to look can save you a ton of time and frustration. Let's dive right in. First off, the easiest way to find your Xfinity account number is by checking your billing statement. If you have a physical bill or an email from Xfinity, look for a 10 to 12-digit number labeled as your account number at the top. It's usually right next to your name and address. If you don't have that handy, don't worry, there's more than one way. Next, fire up the Xfinity app on your phone or tablet. Once you're logged in, head to the Account or Settings section. There, you'll see a dashboard with your account details, including the account number. It's often displayed prominently under My Account Info. If you're on a computer, visit the Xfinity website, sign in with your credentials, and navigate to the Billing tab. Your account number should pop up there too. Another quick method is to check your Xfinity equipment. If you have an Xfinity gateway or modem, flip it over. Many devices have a sticker with key info like your account number printed on it. If none of these work, or if you're still unsure, the best bet is to contact Xfinity customer support. Dial their number, which you can find on the Xfinity website, and a representative can pull up your account number in seconds. A few tips to remember: always keep your account details secure, and double-check for any updates to the Xfinity interface since things might change in 2025. That's it for today's guide. I hope this helps you out. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.